Have you ever imagined the entire digestive system mapped inside the shape of a human foot? Hmm. This unexpected visual reveals how digestion works, step by step in a way that is simple, structured, and unforgettable. Digestion is a process by which the human body breaks down food, absorbs nutrients, and eliminates waste. In this visual representation, the digestive system is creatively placed within the outline of the human foot, helping us clearly follow each stage of digestion from start to finish. Step 1. Injection. Digestion begins when food enters the mouth and travels through the esophagus. In this visual, the esophagus starts near the ankle area, guiding food downward into the digestive system. Then move to the stomach digestion. Step 2. The stomach mixes food with powerful acids and digestive enzymes, breaking it down into a semi-liquid substance. This process prepares food for nutrient absorption later in the digestive tract. Step 3. Chemical digestion. The pancreas releases digestive enzymes, while bile from the liver helps breaks down fats. Together, these substances continue the chemical breakdown of food as it moves through the system. Step 4. Nutrient absorption. The small intestine is where most nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. Its long, coiled structure increases surface area, allowing the body to absorb essential vitamins, minerals, and energy efficiently. Step 5. Water absorption. In the large intestine, remaining water is absorbed back into the body. This step helps maintain fluid balance and transforms waste into a solid form. Step 6. Water elimination. The remaining material moves into the rectum where it is stored and prepared for removal from the body. This final stage completes the digestive process. Together, these 6 steps reveal how the human digestive system functions as a continuous, coordinated process, turning food into energy, nourishing the body, and eliminating what it no longer needs. I guess by now that you understand how digestion goes on within your body. Follow us on this channel for more healthy tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to have a one-on-one section with our dietitian, feel free to reach out to us via the email on our channel. We'll be glad to speak to you. Thank you very much. See you in our next video. Bye for now.